The main reason why I use planter boxes instead of loamy soil is to speed up crop growth. My tests have shown that the growth cycle time indicated in the seed description is the time from the moment the crop is planted until it is fully ripe in loamy soil, when the vitality is 100 units. If you plant the same crop in a planter box, it grows about 15 to 17% faster. A full farming guide with tests and numbers will appear on the channel in the near future. Today, by popular demand from my subscribers, I will show you again how to build this specific cross-shaped farm, which consists of 168 planter boxes and requires only 2 watts of power. It is ideal for growing contaminated crops, since with this design the lower layers do not receive daylight. 150 planter boxes will allow you to produce about 400 acid per day, spending only 22 watts of power, and there is a separate video about this on the channel. A simplified version of this farm works on daylight. With this design, all 80 planter boxes will receive sunlight during the day. If you do not need so many, you can limit yourself to 1 to 2 layers. As you already know, irrigation in once human works through ceilings, and the irrigation status of each planter box is updated 1 time per minute. Both farm options require a Growshroom deviant, since you will not have direct access to most of the planter boxes. You can get a Growshroom while collecting mushrooms. The best spot for this is a long cave near the Sunbury location, the entrance to which is located right next to the teleportation tower. There are a lot of mushrooms in this cave, so you can easily get a Growshroom in one run. Now let's build. Using large foundations, build a cross-shaped platform. Add 4 small square foundations as shown in the video. This will be the shape of our farm. Fill the remaining space with temporary foundations, since without them you will not be able to properly place planter boxes. I use wooden parts so that they can be easily distinguished. Place 4 low columns of any kind in the center. These are the supports for the next floor of the farm. Now you can place planter boxes. Each such layer will include 20 units. You can place 4 more planter boxes in the center, but they will not receive daylight. After that, place 5 large ceilings as shown in the video, and add 4 small ones in the indicated places. In the center of the platform, place 4 low columns again. The process of building all layers is completely the same, but there is an important nuance. If you try to place a planter box on the very edge of the ceiling, the game will not allow you to do this. This is why we temporarily expand the platform with additional wooden ceilings that can be removed in the future. This way, you can place planter boxes and any other game objects more compactly. You can build 2 more of the same floors on top, and this will be the maximum height of this farm. If you place the irrigation facility higher than 3 low columns from the foundation, the bottom layer will stop receiving irrigation, which is a problem since the whole point of the structure is to consume minimal pure water and energy. As you can see, all planter boxes, including the very bottom ones, receive irrigation and daylight. The farm consists of 80 planter boxes, and is suitable for growing almost any crops you need. To build a similar closed-type farm, we must use small half-walls instead of low columns. At the time of recording this video, there was a bug in the game that did not allow the large ceiling to be installed correctly. I am not sure if it was fixed, but if you encounter this problem, it can be easily solved by using small ceilings in the center of the platform. Otherwise, the construction process is no different from the previous model. You still have to expand each floor with temporary wooden ceilings to properly install the planter boxes. The maximum height of such a farm will be 6 floors excluding the base. In total, this is 164 planter boxes, for irrigation of which, you will need only 2 watts of power. With this design, only the topmost open layer will receive daylight, but it can also be easily closed with ceilings.